understanding top-line talent in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, top-line talent. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension and usage. Let's dive in. Top-line talent refers to individuals who are exceptionally skilled or proficient in their field. These are the people who are considered the best in what they do. They stand out due to their expertise, achievements, or unique abilities. This phrase is often used in professional settings, such as in the workplace or when discussing artists, athletes, and other high-performing individuals. The term top line often relates to the highest level of something. In business, for example, the top line refers to a company's gross sales or revenues. So, top-line talent conveys the idea of having the best possible people, akin to having the highest earnings in business. It's a metaphor that signifies excellence and high value. To better understand how top-line talent is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In a corporate setting, our company always strives to hire top-line talent to maintain our market leadership. 2. In sports, the team's success this season is largely due to their recruitment of top-line talent. 3. In entertainment, the movie was a hit, featuring top-line talent both in front of and behind the camera. There are several phrases similar to top-line talent. These include best in class, industry leaders, A-listers, especially in entertainment, elite professionals. That's a wrap on our exploration of top-line talent. Remember, this phrase signifies the very best in any field, highlighting skill and excellence. We hope this video helps you in understanding and using this phrase in your English conversations. See you next time, and keep learning.